Hello everyone, my name is Bishmun. This video is mainly about my business plan and my company name is Pest King and title for the product Smart Pest. Let's move on for the industrial analysis. Above is the increasing forecasted demand and the profit for pest control industry. These days, the rodents are developing all around us in the cities and in the communities. They are not only unpleasant but also causing severe damages to all type of business and houses. In this industry of pests, the regulations for not using chemicals are being developed and strictly followed by the governments, where this gives the opportunity for the pest king company to develop a product which can resolve the problem of rodents and at the same time in a greener way. There are some big competitors in this industry. For example, the Victor company, the X-Way, and the Teton Traps company. Let's move on to the company background. This company is officially established in the year 2020, which is located at the Industrial Park High Tech Cooling. This company is built in the term of partnerships, as shown in the pie chart below. That is the legal structure of the company, and the major share is owned by the owner himself. The vision of the company is to make everyone feel safe to be anywhere without pest problems. Mission of the company is to create a greener environment for everyone, produce high quality of smart pests, and also create a revolution in the pest industries by introducing new technologies. Next, we move on to the company strategy. First strategy is product differentiation, where it will be a great value proposition for the company when it can increase the variety of products. For example, now the company is focusing on rodents. Maybe in future it will focus for mosquitoes and termites. Besides that, the company will focus on retention for customers. It is easier to retain a customer rather than spending money for a new one. Lastly, the company will focus on technological advantages, where the company will invest more on research and development and hiring employees with such skills where it can conquer the technology. The target customer for the smart pest will be the households where there are severe damages which caused by the rodents compared to other pests. The company has its own marketing plan in order to easily reach the customer. First is the pricing strategy. Two pricing strategies involved in the company. First will be the skimming pricing, where the company set higher price at the beginning and as the time goes by, it will reduce the price. And for the future, the company will use or convert the skimming pricing into penetration pricing. Next, the distribution strategies for these smart pests will be used by using retailers and through internet. The retailers will be given 2% as commission from the sales, and the for the distribution through internet will be done by Facebook ads and official web page of the company. Next, as shown in the table, is the sales and marketing forecast of the company for 3 years. The company will sell about 1,000 units at the first year and will increase annually. The pricing of the product for the first year will be 900. Due to the skimming pricing, the price will be reduced as time goes by. The company also allocated 2% of commission for distribution, and the communication is for the advertisement purpose. The production process of the company is the, the production process of the smart pest is by first understanding the problem and design, cutting the polymer, molding it, casting and attaching according to the design. Next will be built in the animal frequency. Once have done with building, it will send for testing and improving. Then it will send to the automated and disinfection poison gas. Next, testing function and improving it. Lastly, for the final testing. There are four pictures which showing the process of smart pest. First, the animal frequency will bait the rodent. The second picture shows that the rodent enter through the doorway, which is one-way valve. The third picture shows that automated poisonous gas will be released until there's no movements. of the rodent. The first pictures is showing that when there's no movement from the rodents or the rodent is dead, the automated disinfection gas will be released for the health measure of the customer. And finally, the Bluetooth transmitter will transmit a notification through a special application to the customer's mobile phone. Next, we will move on to the product development process. There are 6 steps used by the company to develop the product. Firstly, for the planning phase, where the company defines the goals, finds the needs of the customer, and defines a key measures. Then the company will further to the concept development, where the ideas which been generated and obtained will be screened and tested. Thirdly, for the system level design, where those ideas will be converted and drawn into designs. Once the design is chosen, the fourth phase will be the detailing of the design, where it will be with specific measurements of the design. Next, the design will be created with prototypes for testing and refinement. Lastly is the production ramp up, where the products will be sent into the market. As for the financial part, I'm just going to provide the gross profit for 3 years of the Smart Pest company. As we can see, the cost of goods sold and the production, the gross profit is as shown in the table for the company. That's all from me. Thank you. Have a good day.